A capsule wardrobe is defined as a minimal, interchangeable wardrobe. But what it means to me is loving and wearing every single thing that's in my closet. And I just always think about running late for work. I don't have a lot of time to get dressed. And I automatically reach for the same pair of high-waisted, light wash jeans because I love them and I feel good in them. And the same striped V-neck shirt because I love stripes. Those are just my favorites and they're my go-to items and I feel good in them. And I guess that's what a capsule wardrobe is to me. It's having a closet only full of favorite items, only full of go-to items. And I cannot tell you how much money I have saved not buying things anymore I don't love. And my closet has more space. It's more beautiful because I don't have things in it that I don't wear. And I think at first the idea of a minimal wardrobe kind of scared me, but it's not about a number. It's not about owning 30 items or 65 items. It's about wearing and loving every single thing that you own.